Good communications are paramount for any business.
It's simple, it's easy, and it just makes our lives run smoothly from day to day.
We know that using the HiHi system, we're future-proof.
It's a great piece of technology, and it shows that we take communication seriously.
It is the most important tool in our kit.
It's intuitive, it makes my life easier.
It portrays our business as an innovative, fast-thinking, forward-moving business.
It's a great system.
Lots of functionality, looks great, feels great. It's at the forefront of the technology.